Advance Merry Christmas, maayong udto ug maayong pagpaniudto gikan sa University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. This is your Lunchican in charge, Eric Dutarot, and you're watching Lunch Chat. Greetings to all trailblazers across the USTP system. Join me today for a chat as we unfold different activities and initiatives in the university's 7-point agenda dynamic. Mga kalunchat, today if you noticed, we are in a different set because we are here in the university's new Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center building. That said, I think murag klaro na kinsa atong guest for today. Mga kalunchat, for this episode, we will be joined by the entire NMFIC team. Hello po, ma'ams and sirs. Maayong udto.
Maayong udto.
An advance Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas sa tanan. Hello.
Yes. Ayan. So before we proceed po, ma'ams and sirs, sa atong chikahan for this noon, no, can you please introduce yourselves and your role dito sa NMFIC?
Yes, I am June Aranas. I am the current manager of NMFIC.
Willie Van Doy, or just you can call me Liv, the research unit head of the center.
Hello everyone, I am Charina May Golosinda, the research assistant of NMFIC.
Hi, I'm Maika Valihera, a laboratory technician under the laboratory analysis unit.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cheryl Ann Ponte, the administrative aide of Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center.
Ramil Gulye, laboratory technician.
Maayong udto sa tanan. I'm Joris BT, utility maintenance for NMFIC.
Congratulations.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marlo Sacolingan. Just call me Mars. I am a laboratory technician at FIC.
There you go. Thank you so much for that introduction, ma'ams and sirs. No? So, proceeding sa itong chikahan, karong udto. Okay, this is very labi ng karon nga nata sa inyong new building, no, ma'ams and sirs. Unsa yung step-by-step process, ma'am, sa pag-create ninyo sa inyong, pag-develop ninyo sa product here sa inyong center and down sa research, paingon sa adoption, sa technology adoption, and unsa pa yung mga roles ninyo ani sa kamulo pag-make sa inyong products, ma'am, here?
Sige, ako'y mutubag, sir,
sige,
no?
Sige, no?
So actually, ang food product development, isa na siya sa mga services nga gi-cater sa center. So, ang product development, pwede siya nga researcher-initiated, meaning ang in-house gyud dili gyud gi-develop ang produkto, no? And naapod tay client-led nga mga product development. So, ang mga client nato ga-request sila nga magpa-develop sa ilahang produkto. So, kasi different processes na siya, sir, but there are majority ana common, daghan kayo common nga mga procedures or processes nga ato ang gina-follow. So, ang una ana gyud, example for client-led nga product development, mag-start gyud ta sa intent letter. Okay, so mag-letter gyud ang isa ka client sa amo, mag-submit siya letter signifying his intention to do for him para sa iya we can create the food product. So after that, unsay sunod gani Ma'am Junana? Mag-letter and then himo na dayon ta ana og experimental design para ana, and so kini nga experimental design amo din ang i-endorse po dayon and together sa amuhang mga research assistants ug sa amuhang mga laboratory technicians. Kay ang product development magud ang mag-design sa experiment, it's really the researcher but dili na niya kaya nga siyara. So that is why si Charina and we have our laboratory technicians as well. So taas na siya nga proseso, no? So pag-create sa product, pag human ana, after that is maka-create na mi og prototype, sir, no? So amuhang prototype diri is, when you say prototype, it's a tangible. Ang food product man gud kay gina-tangible man gyud na siya. So magunitan. So that's what we call prototype. So pag-create na mo og prototype, amuhan na siyang i-subject for intellectual property, IP protection. So mo din na siyang mag-draft na dayon mi for utility model.
Nice.
Kay dili man ta maka-own ang IP protection once the product already registered as a utility model, then that's the time that we can sell. We can promote the technology.
Right.
Oo. So, taas pa na siya. So, pag humad og create sa prototype, and that's the time nga amuhan na siyang i-market testing. So, amuhan na siyang i-try out sa market. So, sila na pod. So, kami nga mga research assistants, mahimo na silang tindiro dito sa Limkit Kaiser. Kami tanan, including our spouses and our friends or family members.
Madamay na ginagawa
yes,
pag-market.
Damay na ni sila tanan. So, kami nga mga researchers, mga tindira namin dito sa Ketkay because we want to know how the market really perceive the product.
Right. I'm just curious, ma'am, no, hearing about the process, ma'am, good sa product development, how long does it usually take, ma'am, to develop a product?
For R&D process alone, that is maximum of 6 months. Pero dili naman gud ta nga sa R&D, we call that one as research and development, sir. Napamangoy other activities before and after the R&D. So, before the R&D na may ginatawag nga customer discovery. So, tanawon sa namo, para kang kinsa. So, kung ang anay isa kasikat nga kapiser, nga nag-ingon siya nga, para kanino ka bumabangon, diba? Pamilyar mo, anak. Pala ka na, Mars, no? Para kanino ka bumabangon. So, sa mo, kung mag-create may produkto, para kang kinsa man nga produkto ang imuhang gihimo.
Right.
So, kung ma-identify na namo na siya, sir, and that's the time the R&D begins. And once the product is already there, na anay prototype, market testing na mo na siya dito for further improvement. And after that, amuha na siyang gina-pitch, and that's the time we promote the technology for our potential adapters.
Right. Again, taas kayo process.
Taas kayo, sir. So, kung atong sumahon yung tanan, it will take 1 to 2 years. So, taas-taas ang amuhang amuhang engagement with the adapters.
Yes.
Sumpay lang ko.
Oo, yes, ma'am.
Na-mention kanina ni Ma'am Liv, no, there are 2 types aning product development. And katong researcher initiated goes through the process of pitching, kay ibaligya man nato ang technology para na adapter, right? But then there's the other one, katong client-led nga mong ginatawag, nga gipahimo gyud mismo sa atong kliyente, no? Ang MSME siya nagpahimo ani nga product because iya gyud ni siyang i-adapt, no? In the first place, naa na gyud siya iyang mind nga iya gyud nang i-commercialize. And if this is the process, amo po na siyang i-coordinate sa atong TPCO nga unit sa university. So mo na siya ang kalainan ato Ma'am Liv, right? Okay, so
yes, thank you so much for that answer, Ma'am Liv and Ma'am Juno. Now, akong question, ma'am, kay anyone can answer this, ma'am, ha? Ang question kay, how does it feel nga finally ang inyong product nga research kay na-develop na siya?
Yes, good afternoon. Actually, sir, kuan gid sir kanang gikan gid before gid mi mo-proceed gid sa moang sa mo ang pag-run. So nakita mo yun na ang researcher is na sila ginakuan sa mga kanang ginahatag na task. And then of course nadya po sa mga pressure gyapon kay naman mis operation. So kuan gyud sa sir chada ang mo feeling especially kung mahuman na siya, ma-adapt na siya. It's because last time sir just to be honest lang sir, nasamod jud ko sa kanang one of our equipment sa extruder. Naipit akong kamot. So, mura akong na-down, is something like murag like akong feelings, but napakita na ako ng murag, uy, tsada man na kaya ang result. So, it means murag fulfillment sa ko at the same time. Sakit siya, napabilin siya, but charge experience lang, sir.
Yes. Tama.
Ano ko'y sumpay ato Ram? Basi nagtuo niya sila nga nasamad ka. Nasamad jud ka nga kinahanglan siya tahion, di ba? It was really an emergency nga dalo na mo siya sa ospital, no? So inana nga klase nga samad.
No, grabe ang struggle sa pag-develop sa product, no?
Maka-proud kayo siya, sir, no? Especially kanang for example, like sa akong experience, sir, na may silingan nga naa siya sa kanang schools like gi-adapt di Ma'am Net sa hamuan na 4 ka technologies. So ginapanghatag na siya sa DepEd. Then maka-proud kay sir no nga mo ana imong silingan nga, "Hoy, tanaw gay ninyo yung bag-o nga kuan gipanghatag dili lang Nutriban, ano po bagong ready to eat nga inani-inani." So yung feeling, sir, baka, huy, gikan mo na sa amua kami. Kanang maka-proud moment kay sir, nga kami ang nag-research, nag-take og pila ka trials para ma-come up adto nga product. So, inana, sir.
Thank you so much for that, Ma'am Cha. Anyone po who can
Sa admin side kaya, unsay feeling?
Siyempre, ma'am, despite the hard work sa among mga researcher, like, kunang garbo gid kayo sa Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center, ka mahuman, and then napag mo adapt. Yes.
Tama.
Yes.
And of course, inyong garbo po, ma'am, of course, garbo po na sa entire university. That's why we are very thankful to have you here with us. Karon din paniod to. Ma'am, before we proceed, no, just to keep the energy flowing, nalatay short, very short gimmick lang good. Is that okay? Okay. Ayan, so our game is called Guess the Food. Sige, hagoy. Sige,
pagkaon sa kalibutan.
You also ready na, ma'am? Ready na? Okay, sige. Right, you have 30 seconds. Unsa ka na siya? Erasing.
Itlog.
Saan mo na siya? Ground something?
Na-ay raisin, na-ay
Ground pork.
na-ay ground
May,
pork.
saan na siya?
Imbutido?
Embutido? Final answer. Lock in ang answer.
Na-ay pressure ko, imbutido.
Sige daw. Sige daw. Let's see if it's really embutido.
Meat processing ang ako ang gina-research, sir. So,
Dili dyan di makuha ng taga-FIC pagpagkaon sa riyahan, no? Food development, again. Okay, next. Next item. Okay. Carrots, we have chicken, pinya, and... Unsa ka ano siya?
Unsa ni uncle? Elbow. Carrots.
Unsa ka ano siya?
Fritada?
Unsa ka ano siya?
Ready to eat na fritada kay na sa ipa.
Pwede. Sige, ma'am. Pila na ito timer? Time na? Nag-time na daw. Pero lock in answer, ma'am. Unsa may yung nasabutan? Macaroni. Final answer? Macaroni salad. Sige daw. Answer is macaroni salad. Grabe. Congratulations. Thank you very much for being a good sport, ma'ams and sirs, no? Ayan, so for our short trivia, mga kalanchat, as you noticed, the food featured are some of the dishes prepared during Noche Buena since we are hapit na yun ang Christmas, no? So to give you a short trivia, Noche Buena literally means good night, but it is also the Spanish term for Christmas Eve. So during the Spanish colonization in the Philippines, the friars required the people to fast before Christmas Day. So as a result, Filipinos as well as the Spanish people were really hungry after attending the Christmas Mass. The midnight meal they had then was literally a feast on a spread of delectable dishes. So that's diya nagsugod atong Noche Buena nga tradition. There you go. So balik na tamaw sa tong chikahan. I hope nalingaw na mo sa tong short game. Ma'am, so ang NMFIC nag-launch ang new building atong 7th Charter Day. Dato siya nag-blessing and everything, di ba? So does this mean nga ang university kay maka-cater siya more projects and maka-explore po ng more partnerships, and with this new building attract more clients po ba?
Because na anatay bigger nga facility, it can accommodate ka ng additional equipment, no, right? So that being so, na I mean there's would be an expansion of lahi na pod nga mga exploration sa R&D, right, Ma'am Liv? Kay mudaghan lahi-lahi naman pod ang equipment, no?
The building can help, no? Especially drawing clients.
Right.
It can help. But the main purpose of the new building is to cater additional equipment.
Okay.
Because sa previous building, manggod siya kay daghan na, no? Fully occupied na, and there is no more room for new equipment.
Right.
So, but in terms of its accomplishment, I believe that it's really the team that will really drive out, that will really, you know, provide the accomplishments of the target.
Right.
So other than the building itself, Sir Note, because we have been in the past na may mga accomplishments ang FIC, but with or without the new building, old building pa to, sir, no? So I really do believe that really it's the team dynamics can greatly contribute to the success of FIC.
That is very good to hear, ma'am. Very well said.
Yeah, nala ko idugang.
Yes,
Ito.
sure, ma'am Jun.
I think because kay nakadraw og interest ang new building, natay daghan visitors lately.
That's
yeah,
very
di ba?
good to hear.
Di ba? No?
Dagan na nag-benchmark.
One of
sir.
sir, guest
Nice.
relation officer na pud me. As I sa researcher. Because
Kay namin new building, nasa bidagan nga, nag-benchmark po sa amin.
Nice. It's very good to hear. Now that we're talking about mga new equipments coming in, maka-cater na more projects, naaba yung mga gina-develop right now po ang NMFIC na we expect to hear about in the future?
Yeah, last month na groundbreaking ta sa Dalwangan Malaybalay, and that is with BMS Food Manufacturing. Siya ang atong adapter sa beverages. If you see on the ground floor sa FIC building, naaman ta dinhi murag gallery, makita din ha ang products nga na-adapt no sa atong mga adapters. And mo na siya ang line siguro nga makita nato because the adapter really wanted to have a more bigger line of beverages sa iyang bag-o nga planta no in Malaybalay. So Ma'am Liv actually is the kanang lead researcher sa kaning atong beverage nga line of products, Ma'am Liv, no? So perhaps unsa kaya nga mga line of products because it's fruit based, right?
actually si BMS Manufacturing, ang iyang yung plano is mag-create gyud siya og beverage plant. Ana gyud ang iya sir, no? So and specific kayo iyang requirement kay gusto siya og a beverage nga of natural. Okay, natural juices gyud na siya. So walay mga synthetic nga mga ingredients nga gi-add. So siya karon ang amuhang ginatabangan kay ang as I have mentioned earlier, taas gyud ang proseso sa adoption. So mga 1 to 2 years. So si sir, he's been with us since year 2021 to Ma'am Jun ba? 2021, and then the R&D component is already done.
Okay.
Okay, so ang next sa dayon is na groundbreaking siya, so maghimo na siya sa iyahang planta. And then after that is nanami mga upcoming nga mga meeting sa iyahang engineer para mo assist me in sa pag-build sa iyahang facility.
Nice. It's very good to hear, ma'am.
Yeah, parang he would be the next nga best friend goodies po nato, no? So si best friend goodies already adopted 6 technologies, and katong first 4 we're ready to eat, no, technology. So while we are still continuing also with assistance kay Ma'am Net sa best friend goodies, na ano pud tay coming na pud karon nga BMS Food Manufacturing. So diha na pud ang atong concentration na pud sa beverages.
Diha na pud mi mga kabisi sir kay na mag-run naman pud mi, mag-experimental runs naman pud mi. So na pud mi mga ginakondak nga mga trials. So naa na pud ni sila.
Right.
No, kami gihapon and then mag-market testing may magtindiro na pud. Ana.
We're looking forward, ma'am, anang mga products nga you will develop in the future. So, ma'am, atong chikahan na pud karon is unsa inyong gina-think ng FIC having partners in the government and the food industry? What do you think about kanang the FIC having partners with the government?
We are very, very thankful of our partners. They are very kanang instrumental sa tubako, Ma'am Jun. They are very instrumental to the success of FIC. So actually, kung makita niyo sa FIC, sir, it's really a collaboration among different agencies. Diba? So natay DOST, DTI, natay Food Processors Association of Northern Mindanao, and we have the 2nd Congressional District of Cagayan de Oro City. No? So it's really a collaborative effort. So that's the reason why FIC is FIC because of our collaborators. So dili gyud kaayo siya, I believe nga integral gid siya nga component sa FIC.
Right.
Actually, atong nahisgutan karon nga udto no, ang usually it's about product development. Daghan may mga services sa FIC nga I think wala pud siguro nabalaan sa uban, but I believe within the USTP community nakabalo na ani ang atong mga kauban no. But I would like nga ang atong mga kauban kung asa sila na-assign nga unit, sila magistorya about sa ilahang unit no, and this is part of the services sa atong NMFIC, beginning with complementary food production na diri o.
For now, we are producing one product in complementary food, that is rice munggo sesame blend. Hopefully, madugangan siya, and with me, ga-assist sa complementary is the lab tech, si Ram and si Marlo also. And then, if anybody is vacant or willing na mag-spare sa ilang time, sometimes na may mga OJT, and also we have our on-call production workers. So we cater LGUs from different municipalities like Libertad. We also have from Claver, Surigao. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Cha.
So sa FIC naagya puntay laboratory services. Focus me mainly on two things, which are physicochemical analysis and microbiological.
Yeah, si Maika gidana magsigigli sa atong teleskopyo, no? Teleskopyo, dili na teleskopyo, microscope. Sorry. Dayon. We also have, apart from laboratory and complementary food production, we also have training nga component. So usually it's the researchers and research assistant kay sila man ang food technologists who go around sa atong municipalities invited to be resource speakers, no, right? So we provide trainings also, and then we also have technical consultancy. Tanan nga mga kliyente nga mosulod gyud dinhi sa FIC naagi answer sa ilang mga problema, no? We also conduct product clinics if these are scheduled sa atong mga munisipyo.
One of our services is kining equipment rental. So na may mga equipment nga na ay mga affordable rates ra pud gihapon nga maka-afford. That is on a per hour, on a per day basis pud nga equipment rental. And the research unit, kaya naman isgutan naman ang production unit. The research unit offers specific nga unit sa FIC nga cater sa product development, ga-initiate sa product development, technical consultancy, and also in the initiating activities in the pre-commercialization and in the commercialization activities.
Alright, thank you so much. Ma'am Liv.
So, for further information regarding Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center, you may contact us through our contact number here sa screen, and you can email us also sa nmfic@ustp.edu.ph. And for we also cater the free consultancy. So, for walk-in startups, you can visit us here sa USTP NMFIC.
So once again, ma'am, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for gracing us with your time.
Thank you so much, pod.
Yes. And I know, pod, ma'am, no, atong viewers pod are very interested to know about NMFIC. Sa facade pa lang, guwapa kay building, no? So thank you so much for saying yes. Anya mong invitation, mga ma'ams and sirs. Maayong Pasko.
Thank you so much.
Mga kalanchat, in the university's 7-point agenda dynamic, NMFIC falls under letter D, which is to develop and implement strategies in fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. Once again, this has been your Lunchican in charge, Eric Dotarot. See you next episode, diri lang sa Lunchat.
Maayong Pasko kaninyong tanan from Northern Mindanao Food Innovation Center.